Survival of the fittest is a fact, and there has been documented evidence that some mothers do predate upon their babies, especially in carnivores. In birds, we definitely know that if there is a acute shortage of food, bird mothers throw one or two of her chicks off because she cannot feed all of them. There have been videos where a white stork has actually picked up a chick from the nest, and that nest is high up on a chimney, and is actually picking the chick up and is throwing babies down. So that has been recorded. In mammals, there are cases of cannibalism, but those are not seen regularly. These are extremely rare. Survival of the fittest means animals that can fend for themselves, can find food, can compete with the same species and other species, can find mate, and can protect their territories are the ones that have a higher probability of mating and therefore consequently higher probability of producing babies who by default will be genetically strong because they are born to biologically strong parents. So that definitely is seen over and over again in all taxa, from mammals to birds to amphibians to reptiles, even in insects. And this observation of cannibalism has also been seen. There is a reason of acute shortage of food. In some cases, we really don't know why this has happened. And one must remember that like in human beings, every individual is unique in wild animals as well. So the behavior of one animal can be, or a mother can be different from that of the other. In captivity, largely this has been seen, and that could be attributed to the lack of experience of the animal and also the pressures of isolation. When you have a wild animal that grows in the forest or wherever it's in the ocean, the stress level on that animal are all natural and the animal is able to cope. But when you put an animal out into captivity, that animal A doesn't interact with animals of the same species, and B is under tremendous stress because we can't understand their expressions. We don't know why they behave in a way they behave, but we definitely know if you go on to a cage, you will see that so many animals will keep walking in a certain direction or in a certain angle inside the cage, and that is a sure sign of trauma. In such animals in captivity, there have been many cases of cannibalism shown by the mother on babies, but in wild, very little is known, and we really don't know if at all something like this has happened. What are the reasons behind it? It could be stress, it could be something else, because it's impossible to see tigress or a leopardess bringing up a cub till they reach about 2 to 3 months. So we really don't know what happens there. But in captivity, definitely it is the stress that causes that.